Indian market had seen 45% growth in CNG car sales in 2021. Considering centuries of petrol prices, sales are going to be in triple digits. In today's video, we are going to discuss top 5 CNG cars with best mileage along with their pros and cons. If you are planning to buy a new CNG car, then in this video you will get to know about your best suitable CNG car according to your budget, safety, features and build quality. Before starting a video, subscribe to Modified Thoughts and press the bell icon for more practical and informative automotive videos. Whenever it comes to CNG cars, Maruti Suzuki's tall boy WagonR is at first place in best-selling cars. With Maruti's S-CNG technology, WagonR gives mileage of 32.52 km per kg. If you are looking car for daily commute, then WagonR is the most suitable option for you with the price of 5.60 lakh for LXI lower variant. Talking about the pros of Maruti Suzuki WagonR, it has ABS standard in all its variants. If safety is your priority, you can get dual front airbags in option. New WagonR has more spacious cabin and of course major advantage is mileage and low service cost. Now let's discuss cons of WagonR CNG. The build quality of WagonR could be better. If you are driving this car in rural areas, then within 2 to 3 years, you will start hearing annoying interior noise. Another terrific thing is braking experience. If you are driving Hyundai's car and suddenly you get WagonR's seat, then you will definitely feel my point. When it comes to emergency braking, WagonR really disappoints you. Let's move towards second position and you will find another Maruti's economical car, Alto 800. India's most favorite affordable family car with mileage of 31.50 km per kg. Although in current scenario, buying Alto is not a good choice. But if you are stick to your budget, then you can go for an Alto with a budget of 4.50 lakh. Let's talk about pros of Alto 800. Of course, Alto has a driver airbag and you can get passenger airbag as well. Let's just keep cons of Alto 800 in pocket because we are expecting too much in this price range. As I said earlier, Maruti is a king in CNG car segment and our third car is also from Maruti Suzuki. एक और 3 का डिब्बा from Maruti Suzuki with AMT gearbox and that is Maruti Suzuki Espresso. Although you will get 31 km per kg mileage with the price of 4.90 lakh, you will get 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, powerful air conditioning are some pros of self-declared SUV Espresso. Let's talk about cons of Espresso. First of all, it's overpriced car. 5 lakh for this car, not a good deal. If you are driving more on highway, then this car has body roll when you hit triple digit speed. The number 4 car actually makes sense for youngsters. With third generation Santro, Hyundai actually giving really tough competition to Maruti. If you want a car with more features, Hyundai Santro is here, who delivers mileage of 29 km per kg. Santro also has sports variant which offers 7-inch infotainment system, power ORVM, day-night IRVM and many more. If you have low budget, you can go with Santro Magna CNG option also. Talking about the pros, Hyundai actually offers better build quality compared to Maruti. At high speed, Hyundai Santro provides you better handling compared to any Maruti's car. Although this car also has some cons. Fixed headrest for front, so if you are going to longer journey, you will definitely feel back pain. Coming to the safety, Hyundai only offers driver airbag in CNG trims, which is not a good deal. Have you heard Mauke Pe Chauka? Hyundai plays this game very well. Maruti discontinued its Dzire CNG and Hyundai comes with Aura and become only compact sedan currently available in Indian market with CNG trim. With the mileage of 28 km per kg, Aura actually makes sense, just like beauty with brain. Aura offers you wireless charging, projector fog lamp, cruise control, LED DRLs, rear AC vents and many more features. Aura's interior actually looks very rich. But this car also has big misses like adjustable headrest and front armrest. And point to be noticed, Hyundai Aura is also on higher side pricing. Hyundai Aura's pricing start with 7.60 lakhs, which means you have to pay more than 1 lakh rupees for Hyundai Aura. If you are good with budget or you want a sedan with better mileage, you want better cabin space, then Aura is for you. So friends, hope you like this video and you had made your choice for your next CNG car. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And do not forget to subscribe Modified Thoughts channel for latest automotive videos. Now it's time to say goodbye. Jai Hind.